Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Blockchain Bingo. In our previous episode, we discussed the concept of POW halving, and today, let's check out how halving affects the market. Market impact of halving. Typically, before a halving event, the market may experience a surge due to heightened expectations. Example, Bitcoin. Let's look at the case of Bitcoin. Following its first halving in 2012, Bitcoin saw a surge, but the impact of the second halving in 2016 was smaller. Of course, the actual price movement of cryptos is influenced by many other factors, including market sentiment and economic policies. Short-term price surges and complex long-term impacts. When a halving becomes imminent, miners and investors may rush to hoard more coins, driving up prices in the short term. However, this type of price growth may quickly disappear after the halving happens, or the market could also experience a pullback post-halving. From a long-term perspective, halving reduces the supply of new coins, and this might lay a foundation for sustained price growth. It should be noted that for low market cap POW coins, a halving event may result in a surge. In a word, halving has complex impacts on the market and prices. It is tied not only to short-term expectations and sentiment, but also to long-term supply and scarcity factors. Having explored the impacts on miners and prices, let's now focus on a macro perspective. How do halvings benefit the POW blockchain ecosystem? Increasing token scarcity and collectible value. To start with, a halving event means a reduction in the newly minted coin supply, which increases the scarcity of a token, making it more attractive as a store of value. This may not only attract more users to the ecosystem, but will also boost transaction activity, driving diversified value transfer. Halving also implies the waning of the traditional incentive model where network participants are incentivized by mining rewards. As such, public chains need alternative methods such as higher transaction fees or gas fees to incentivize miners and other participants. This fosters the development of applications on these chains, especially in the fields of finance, gaming, and digital assets. Minimizing centralization risks. Halving reduces token output, which may encourage holders to keep tokens for the long term rather than engaging in frequent trading activities. Such a tendency helps decentralize the control of tokens, mitigating the risks of centralization. Technological innovation and business transformation. The halving mechanism also encourages constant technological innovation and business transformation on POW chains. This pressure drives improvements and upgrades throughout the ecosystem. Fresh momentum for ecosystem development. All in all, halving has a range of positive impacts on the POW blockchain ecosystem. It not only raises the value of tokens but also drives diversified value transfer mechanisms, fosters technological innovation, and reduces centralization risks. Conclusion. Through our comprehensive discussions, we learned that halving, a key invention of Bitcoin, has multidimensional and complex effects. Now, let's summarize its impacts and address the potential challenges and opportunities for the future of POW. Multifaceted influence. A halving event can, to some extent, control token supply, but its actual impact on prices depends on factors like market sentiment and economic conditions. It also drives the decentralization of public chains, but this requires sustained technological progress and practical applications. Future challenges and opportunities. Environmental impact. With growing environmental concerns, POW coins, especially Bitcoin, need to consider adopting cleaner energy sources to reduce their negative environmental impact. Practical applications. Beyond their role as tools for value storage and investment, POW projects need to offer more practical use cases to enhance their long-term value. Innovation in consensus mechanisms. POW could consider organic integration with other consensus mechanisms like POS or DPoS to build more efficient and secure networks. Outlook. Along with the rapid advancement of blockchain technology, POW has become a key component of the blockchain world. We are confident that, with community efforts, POW will continue to evolve, drive technological breakthroughs, and create more practical value. In that process, the halving mechanism will also play a role and facilitate progress. If you have further views or questions on Bitcoin or POW halving, feel free to leave a comment. That concludes our discussion on POW halvings. We hope our video has provided you with a more comprehensive understanding of this complex yet impactful mechanism. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.